Moldova is changing. And the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development has been investing, helping it along the long road from state control to an open market economy since the early 1990s. Landlocked between Romania and Ukraine, Moldova is one of the poorest countries in Europe. But economic progress is being made. Agriculture and the food industry are mainstays of the economy, helped by fertile farmland and a relatively favourable climate. More than 40% of the working population is employed in agribusiness, a sector which produces a third of the country's GDP. Alexei Ivanov is a farmer from the rural area of Orhei, one of the most productive and picturesque in Moldova.
Creștem mai multe culturi, și legume, și fructe, și culturi de câmp, culturi tehnice, practic, absolut cam toate culturile care se cultivă în Republica Moldova.
Much of the fruit and vegetables produced by Mr. Ivanov's farm travels just 5 kilometers to reach the Orhei Wheat factory. Orhei Wheat is Moldova's largest producer of fruit juice and canned vegetables. The enterprise has been in business since 1945 and employs more than 120 people in the area. But like most of Moldovan industry, the factory was operating with old Soviet-era equipment, causing significant energy losses. Energy inefficiency is so widespread that the country uses 2.4 times more energy than the EU average. As Moldova imports 99% of the energy that it consumes, the impact on the economy is huge, and so are the consequences for the environment. That's why the EBRD's Moldovan Sustainable Energy Financing Facility, or MOSEF, is working to improve energy efficiency, providing a €20 million credit line for on-lending to private companies, like Orhei Wheat. Thanks to a €520,000 investment, Orhei Wheat has a brand new steam boiler, replacing the Soviet-era version. The loan will pay for itself in a few years, and the reduction of energy costs and CO2 emissions will last indefinitely.
MOSEF ne-a permis să avem o posibilitate de o finanțare mai ușoară. Ni s-a oferit posibilitatea de a solicita un credit la niște condiții destul de legere.
Orhei Wheat planned this investment with the expert guidance offered by MOSEF energy consultants, such as Alex Bologa. This type of technical assistance, which is funded by the EU, is an integral part of the MOSEF package. MOSEF works with local banks to prepare, fund and implement similar energy efficiency projects which are undertaken by local industrial and agribusiness enterprises. Many Moldovan companies are benefiting from the program and the advice of Alex Bologa and his colleagues. For example, the country's largest brick manufacturer, Macon, has improved its ovens' ventilation technology.
Благодаря проекту МОСЕФ нам удалось приобрести оборудование, которое позволит снизить энергопотребление на одном из самых энергоемких агрегатов на 26%.
MOSEF is for energy efficiency and energy savings. We are here in this factory and we are expanding. We are involving different Moldova companies from the different segments. Why? To reduce energy consumption, to reduce CO2 emissions.
MOSEF is only one example of the many successful sustainable energy financing facilities that the EBRD has already established in 15 different countries. The bank will continue to expand these programs throughout its countries of operations, encouraging private businesses to improve their energy efficiency. This won't only increase their competitiveness, but also protect the environment and secure a better future for the people that, like Mr. Ivanov, live and work in countries which are undergoing profound change.